In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the slide size in Google Slides. This is a handy skill to have, whether you're preparing a presentation for a unique format, or you simply want to control the dimensions for printing purposes. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can do this by typing Google Slides into your search engine or directly visiting the Google Slides homepage. Once there, you may see an option to sign in. If you're not already logged into your Google account, make sure to do so. This will give you access to your saved presentations and allow you to create new ones. Upon signing into your account, you'll arrive at the Google Slides home. Here, you'll be presented with a range of options, including recently opened files and various templates. For today's purpose, you'll want to either open a blank presentation or select a template that suits your needs. This choice depends entirely on whether you want to start fresh or work within an existing framework. Once your presentation is open, the next step is to look towards the top toolbar and click on the File option. This action will open a drop-down menu with several selections at your disposal. Among these options, you'll want to scroll down until you see Page Setup. Clicking on Page Setup opens a dialog box where the current dimensions of your slides will be displayed. Now, for those who want a specific size not listed in the preset options, simply direct your attention to the custom option at the bottom of the menu. By selecting this, you can enter your desired width and height manually. This is particularly useful when dealing with non-standard slides, such as those needed for certain digital displays or print formats. All you need to do is enter the required measurements, and Google Slides takes it from there, adjusting your presentation to fit within the dimensions you've specified. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your slide size in Google Slides. By tweaking these settings, you're ensuring that your presentation fits perfectly within the desired parameters, whether on screen or printed out. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.